Hey y'all, it's Ashley. Today I'm going to make some strawberry themed pillows for my porch chairs. They're really easy to do, they're super cute, and they tie in with the rest of my porch decor this summer. So I'm going to start by cutting out my fabric. I'm making 2 pillows total. Each one has that red fabric with the white dots on the front, and then it'll be plain on the back. To make the sizing easy, I just grabbed a piece of legal copy paper. So it's 8.5 by 14 inches, and honestly I think any rectangle would work, but I'm just going to use this as my template and trace around that. Since I'm making 2 pillows, I went ahead and doubled up each fabric. That way I can cut them both at the same time. And then I just did the exact same thing with the other fabric. To get rid of any wrinkles, I'm just going to use my little iron and just smooth everything out. To assemble these, I'm going to place the front and the back pieces on top of one another, inside out. Instead of sewing, I'm just going to use my hot glue. My porch gets so much direct sunlight that these are going to be faded beyond repair by fall, and it's probably just going to be easier to make new ones next season, so hot glue is going to be fine for that. So I'm just going to run a straight, consistent line of glue around 3 of the sides. I'm going to make sure to leave that 4th one open so we can stuff it. So once that's cooled off, I'm going to turn these right side out. I like to kind of push along the edges and see if anything needs more glue. Not hard enough to poke a hole in it, just enough to check for weak spots and add some more glue. I'm also taking my iron and pressing those edges down so everything lays nice and flat. Okay, so you can see here where there wasn't enough glue, so I'm just going to fix that before we move on. So before I stuff it, I want to make sure that it's going to be easy to close. I'm going to fold both of those raw edges inward toward one another, and then I'm going to set that crease with my iron. This is going to give me a finished edge and make closing it up so much easier. Since these are going to go outside, I'm going to stuff them with grocery bags. I don't want to waste good polyfill on porch pillows. I love changing out my throw pillows. There are about 19 on my bed right now, and at least 8 in the living room. That sounds so bad out loud. The good stuffing stays inside. Once it's filled, I'm going to line up these folded edges and glue the opening closed. So to turn it into a bow, I took a scrap piece of fabric and I tied it right around the center to pinch it in. Then I grabbed a bigger scrap piece, I folded that into thirds, ironed those folds down, and then glued them together so they would stay neat. Now I wrapped that piece around the middle to cover the tie, glued it in the back, and that gave us a pretty bow shape. Again, super cute as is, but I made a bunch of these stuffed strawberries with flat backs, and I fully intend to use them. And there it is, all finished and ready for my porch. Thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.